Hello guys, in this video we're going to jump into Adobe XD. So one of the first things that you're going to see once you install it is that you're going to have the opportunity to open up some default sizes of artboards such as the iPhone, iPad and some web ones. You can also choose from the drop down different options, or you can use a custom size. And another option is to use the UI kits, which basically will allow you to start a project faster and with having a base. So in this case, we're going to click under the wireframes and we're going to be redirected directly on a page in which you can download this UI kit. In this case, I did download it before the video, so I already have it. And here is the two files. We have mobile and the web files. And for this example, we're going to open up the web ones. So the first thing that will happen is that the file will open up and we can browse around the XD interface by clicking on spacebar and moving around. And we can also zoom by either using the command and the plus button and the minus to zoom out. So this is going to be very useful and something that we're going to use a lot. Or we can even use command and use the scroll option in the mouse if you have a scroll wheel. So here we go. These are the different artboards, and what an artboard is, it's basically a canvas, a collection of elements all in one single view that you can later on export. So if we zoom in into this one, we can see that if you select the artboard, you can see that it's selected because the menu on the left will change, and we are now in the artboard landing 1. And if you want to go back to the full view of artboards, we can just click on this arrow and you're going to see all the artboards in the file. Now going back to this one specifically, we're gonna click on it, so the artboard is selected. We can see that each artboard contains different layers. And sometimes these layers are even grouped in different groups. So for example, if I double click on the navigation bar, you can see that the navigation bar contains a lot of different layers. So for example, the logo, the contact, blog and explore, and all the other text, and of course the base. If we select the base, we can change the color and we can do different things. And yeah, this is basically the overview. As you can see, whenever you select an element, you're going to you can have the opportunity to adjust it with the column on the right, which is specifically designed to help you change the options and the settings for the different text or vector elements or even images. So this is it for this brief overview, and we'll continue this in the